Tailor Brand's honest review. Watch before using. In this video, we're taking an honest look at Tailor Brands, a platform designed to help small businesses and entrepreneurs build a professional online presence. Tailor Brands offers a variety of features, starting with its AI-powered logo maker, which allows you to create a custom logo in minutes, even if you have zero design experience. It doesn't stop there. Tailor Brands also offers tools for creating social media content, business cards, and branded merchandise. Plus, they've got a website builder that's easy to use and includes options for SEO and e-commerce, so you can get your business up and running quickly. But who is Tailor Brands really for? It's tailored for small business owners, freelancers, and startups who need branding tools but don't have the time or budget to hire a designer or marketing team. It's a one-stop shop for branding, so if you're just starting out and need to build your business from the ground up, this is one option worth considering. Now, let's talk about the user experience, because that's key. Tailor Brands is incredibly easy to use. You simply input your company name, select your industry, and the AI does the heavy lifting. You get logo options, color schemes, and fonts to choose from. If you want to make tweaks, the editor is intuitive enough to customize things without needing design skills. However, there are some limitations. While the AI-generated logos are quick, they can sometimes feel generic. If you're looking for something truly unique, you might need more advanced tools or hire a designer to refine the base logo. Tailor Brands provides. The pricing is also something to note. While they offer a free logo preview, you'll need to pay for downloads, which can get a little pricey depending on the package you choose. In summary, Tailor Brands is a solid, user-friendly option for those who need quick branding solutions without breaking the bank. However, if you want a more custom or intricate design, you may want to explore additional options.